So, welcome to another video of just going through these actual coin lots, and it's probably a bit too much. So in these videos, I've only got about 12 minutes. We are going to see what actual coins you can actually get in a coin lot. So we've got a normal Russian 50 kopek with face value. Generally, if I say that the coin's more than worth $1, then I would actually say the value, but if not, then it's probably $1 or less. German 2 penny. Okay. Current 1 kroon from Czech Republic. Former coin 50 rupiah of Indonesia. No longer in circulation, but a nice series anyway. Then we have a Latvia, say 2 centimes. They use the euro now, so these no longer circulate. It's still a nice coin. Oops, and I dropped it. A current coin of Turkey, 5 kuruş. 1 cent from South Africa. And this is the second series of coins they actually issued, so they changed these in the 90s, and they don't use the 1 cent anymore. Maybe I don't have that one in my collection. Current 5 pence from the UK. They did change the design, but that still circulates. Okay, 1 cent from New Zealand, taken out in, I think, 1988. It's not circulate. This is a good coin from Germany, probably worth between $1 and $2. 1990. And you can still exchange these for euros, I think about 25 euro cents. And J, I think J's Hamburg. Okay. Fascist coin, 1974, yes, in the start, it's got 74. 5 pesetas from Spain. General Franco, he passed away in 75, and Juan Carlos took over. Centi, what date's this? 1912, is that Italian coin? Oh, yes it is, and I don't have that one in my collection, so that's going in, even though it's pretty not as good a condition as what you would want it. Okay, UK 1917, half penny, not really worth much. Oh, another coin. Did I have this in my collection? Not too sure. Bermuda, 25 cents, current coin. Well, they changed the effigy, but that one's probably going in my collection. 1966, 50 lepta from Greece with Hercules. And that one's probably worth $1 or $2. So put that aside. And I've got quite a few of these. 2003 200 rupiah coins. And has Jalak Bali. I think this is a Balinese miner. It's actually quite a nice bird. And I've got a hell of a lot of those coins. And it's worth about 2 cents, that one. So this is an Iceland 5 krona. Exchange rate 5 cents. And this is probably nickel plated steel, but I do quite like the 4 protective mythological creatures to actually protect Iceland's 4 corners. Okay, 5 penny from Germany, 1950. Okay, Peru, 50 centimos, current coin, so not really worth much unless uncirculated. 1 cent from Cyprus. I like the peacock, nice. 83, so first year. Okay, 95. 1 cent from Canada, taken out of circulation in 2012. Still legal tender though. So they don't use a 1 cent coin. This one is the, I think it's 12-sided coin. Can't remember everything. Ooh, and a coin you probably won't get is a quarter rupee, so 25 pesos from Pakistan. So this is the pre-decimal series. So 25 equals 4 anna. And that coin is probably going in my collection. It's in very good grade. This one you're probably paying a few dollars to actually get, but I need to look that up. And a 1p from UK, not really worth much. 92. Now this is Estonia, and turn it around, 50 centi. So it's worth probably about $1. Another coin I don't have, so this is, oh, pity it's about corroded. Damn, damaged. South Korean 1 so 1968. I'll keep it as a gap filler, but you know, it's a coin that if you don't have it, just keep it until you get a better coin. Another coin I don't have, Ristotinki from Bulgaria. There's a coat of arms. And the 1944 means the setup of the People's Republic after the Soviet Union took over that area. And a 2p from the UK, so 86, worth face value. The bronze is worth more than 2p, I'd say. And a copper nickel coin from French Indochina, 1941. And I think I purchased this because it actually had this in it. These ones cost between about $5 and $10 if you just want to buy the actual coin. So that's going in the collection. Okay, let's just get rid of coins that I already have. Okay, so these ones I've shown you before. We've got French, New Zealand, UK, so they're really not worth actually looking at. And we have the large won from South Korea, and we also have the smaller coins. So this is a copper plated aluminium, and this is a brass. So you probably can't get the big ones in circulation anymore. You can see the aluminium in the small coin. Then we have, this one's a pretty good one, 1 peseta from Spain, 66. So I'll see if that's actually better than the one that I got. Then we have a current coin from Europe, a 20 euro cent, and this one is also Spain. I don't really like that design myself, but I just sell those as groups together. 56D has some bronze disease. Wheat penny, probably not worth much. Isle of Man, I always keep these coins because every few years they actually change the coin design. Oh, not every few years, whenever they feel like it. And this is a previous series from, where is it? Industrialization. So definitely keep that because I don't have it anyway. 25 kudos from Turkey. Already have that series, so it's a bit corroded. A current coin of the UK, even though they've changed the design, is the actual coin still circulates. And if you look up, UK coin channels, they actually get quite a lot of these when they look at 50p coins because you can get lots of commemoratives. Okay, another UK current coin. Okay, and then we have the second and third series from Malaysia. Copper nickel, stainless steel, and both still legal tender. And another Malaysia coin from the previous series. Don't worry about the bit outside because that's pretty normal. Okay, this one looks like Bahamas. Is it? Oh no, Trinidad and Tobago 72. I already have that. But this side, it's got lots of crap on it. I'm not too sure what it is. Looks like bronze disease. Another coin I don't have is Suriname 10 cent. And there's the coat of arms. Curious thing about this coin is that this was part of the Gulden series. So 1 Gulden equals 100 cents. Then these went out of circulation in the 2000s when inflation ate its value. And then they reintroduced these coins. So this one's legal tender currently when they actually introduced the dollar in 2004. So you can actually use these coins in circulation from the previous currency series. And only Zimbabwe has done that. They remonetised all their coins in 2008 with another dollar series, but that didn't last long because the coins actually suffered from inflation. Then we have where does it keep the focus? So Thai coin, 25 centimes, don't really circulate anyway. Okay, a 20 Benny from Moldova. Don't really see these in coin lots. Look, at pretty damaged, no wonder why. But you can buy the whole set from 1 to 50 Benny for like $2, so. Then we have a Vanuatu former circulating coin. 1 Vatu, 99. I think that was the last year they were minted. Okay, let's get through these. So we've got Israeli 10 Agora, current coin. 2009 1 Fem from China. Okay, current coin from Turkey, worth about 2.5 cents. Barbados current coin. Previous coin of Tonga. I actually keep these because I like the design. This is nickel plated steel, 2005, and I don't think I have this one. Another Barbados. So here's a 5 cent, and here's a 25 cent current coin. Another Estonian 20 centi. These went out, I think, in 2000s because how do they change the metal? Philippines, 13. Kazakhstan, 5 tenge current coin. Hong Kong current coin, 10 cents, and that one's going back into circulation in Hong Kong. Unless it's an error coin. No. Okay, Belgium. Another Belgium. This is my favourite Belgium coin. 20 cents, 64 or 25. This is the French version. And the last one is a Netherlands 10 cents, 76. Nickel